Welcome to another episode of MTV Cribs. Today you guys are in for a treat because we are going to view the wonderful 3-story house of Marko Stats and Bandman Akram. Y'all ready? Y'all in for a movie. Alright. Now as you walk in, see the view. And so we see the decent little view. Now, of course, we got Marko Stats on the screen. Gotta keep Broski on the screen. Both of us on the screen. We got Bandman Akram right there. AZ.
Bandman.
Yeah.
I heard that name in a minute, bro.
Man. Told y'all in for a treat, man. Now I was going upstairs. Now this is the first bedroom. Some slight, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Little bathroom in here. This is where it goes down, man. This is where we wash our ass, man. This is where I wash my ass, you feel me? It's important to wash your ass. Nice view from up here. Yes, sir. Got a little nice view out here. You know, some slight. It's just the first bedroom. Now we back in here. Close this up. Definitely not finished yet, y'all. We just getting started. Look at this wonderful painting right here. Yeah, I got this painting because it just reminds me to just let loose, dance, be free, right? We gonna go upstairs to the next floor. That's where we do the laundry. Got the big laundry in here, man. Look at how much shit we got, bro. We got all the fucking cleaning supplies that you will ever need to wash clothes, to mop. Man, it's a big property, so we need that. Got another painting. You know, I ain't gonna lie, we getting big money. And that's why we chose these paintings, because these some big people. You know, it goes together. This is the master bedroom. Y'all know how this shit go. Bathroom nice. You know, got the hot tub. It's the master bedroom. Nice view from outside. Nice view that shows outside. Bathroom with the motherfucking hot tub and a nice tub in here. Look at this. Nice closet. Whoa, look at me. We almost done, y'all. This is the final room. We got 3 rooms in here. Look how this shit look. Some slight next to the master bedroom with another bathroom. Y'all see that? Y'all see how many bathrooms we got, Flo? Look at this shit. Another bathroom with a tub. That's how this shit go. That's what it is, man. We gonna show y'all the rest of it, the back and everything in a second.